சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போவோம். Most of the competitive examinations, the questions are asked from the previous year questions. So if you thoroughly prepared for the questions of previous years, it will give definite success. Molecular Spectroscopy 2 Part 35 video contains GATE TNPSC questions with answers and explanations. It will be useful for TRB questions and TNPSC, CSIR, UGC NET and GATE examinations.
Question number 1. X-rays are produced using cobalt Z is equal to 27 as target. It was observed that the X-ray contained a strong K-alpha line of wavelength lambda equal to 0.1785 nanometer and a weak K-alpha line of wavelength 0.1930 nanometer. Then the weak K-alpha line is due to an impurity whose atomic number is 4 options are given. A 25, B 26, C 28, D 30.
We know that Moseley's law is square root of nu equal to A into Z minus B. Let nu1 and nu2 be the frequency of the K-alpha line of cobalt and unknown substance respectively. Let their atomic numbers be Z1 and Z2 respectively. Then square root of nu1 equal to A into Z1 minus B. Nu2 equal to A into Z2 minus B. Divide the equation 1 by 2. Square root of nu1 divided by nu2 equal to A into Z1 minus B divided by A into Z2 minus B. A and A get cancelled out. Therefore, the equation will become Z2 minus B equal to Z1 minus B square root of nu2 divided by nu1. We know that C is equal to nu lambda. Therefore, nu2 divided by nu1 will be equal to lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. Then it will become Z2 minus B equal to Z1 minus B square root of lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. From the problem, the values are lambda 1 equal to 0.1785 nanometer, lambda 2 equal to 0.1930 nanometer. Therefore, Z2 equal to Z1 into square root of lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. From the problem, Z1 equal to 27. Therefore, substitute the value of given values lambda 1, lambda 2, Z1 in the equation. We get 27 into square root of 0.1785 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 0.1930 into 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 9 and 10 power minus 9 cancelled out. 27 into square root of 0.9248. Then simplifying, Z equal to 25.96. It is approximately equal to 26. The value of our atomic number 26 is ferrous. Therefore, B 26 is the correct answer.
Question number 2. The hyperfine splitting of the spectral lines of an atom is due to A. The coupling between the spins of 2 or more electrons. B. The coupling between the spins and the orbital angular momenta of the electrons. C. The coupling between the electron spins and the nuclear spin. D. The effect of external electromagnetic fields.
B is the correct answer. The coupling between the spins and the orbital angular momenta of the electrons.
Under the LS coupling scheme, the possible spectral terms 2s plus 1 Lj for the electrons configuration 2s1, 3s1 are option A 2s half, 2p 3 by 2, 2p off, B 1s0, 3s1, option C 1s0, 1s1, 3s0, 3s1, option D 3s0, 3s1.
From the problem, the given data are S1 is equal to 1 by 2, S2 is equal to 1 by 2, therefore S is equal to 0 and 1. Similarly, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, therefore L is equal to 0. For the value of S is equal to 0, L equal to 0, J value is equal to 1, therefore the term is 3s1. Hence, The answer B 1s0, 3s1 is the correct answer.
Question number 4. The deuteron is known to be in a state with S is equal to 1, J equal to 1, I equal to 0, where S, J, I refer to spin, total angular momentum and isospin quantum number respectively. The allowed values of the orbital angular momentum quantum number L are option A 0, B 0, 1, 2, C 1, D 0, 2.
Answer B 0, 1, 2 is the correct answer. For the value of S is equal to 1, the possible values of L value equal to J minus 1, J plus 1 respectively. Therefore, possible values are L equal to 0, 1, 2.
Question number 5. The Zeeman pattern of a line consists of 6 equidistant components. The upper state term is 2p 3 by 2. What is the lower state term? A 2b 1 by 2, B 2s 1 by 2, C 1s by 1 by 2, D none.
Answer B 2s 1 by 2 is the correct answer.
Question number 6. Landis G factor for the 3p1 level is option A 1 by 2, option B 3 by 2, C 5 by 2, D none.
We know that Landis G factor G equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 divided by 2 into J plus 1. Here given data J equal to 1, L equal to 1, S is equal to 1 for P state. Therefore, G value equal to 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus 1. Simplifying, it will be equal to 1 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 4. Once again it is simplified 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, G equal to 3 by 2. Hence, B 3 by 2 is the correct answer.
Question number 7. In Paschen-Bach effect, the strong field quantum number is given by option A ml plus 2ms, option B ml minus 2ms, C 2ml plus ms, option D 2ml minus ms.
ml magnetic orbital quantum number, ms magnetic spin quantum number. Therefore, answer A ml plus 2ms is the correct answer.
Question number 8. The spectral terms for a certain electronic configuration are given by 3D, 1D, 3p, 1p, 5s, 3s. The term with lowest energy is option A 5s, option B 3p, option C 3D, D 3s.
Generally, large spin S value has lowest energy. Here 5s is the largest spin. Therefore, multiplicity 5 equal to 2s plus 1. 2s is equal to 5 minus 1. S is equal to 4 by 2. It will be simplifying equal to 2. Similarly, for 3s value 3 equal to 2s plus 1. 2s is equal to 3 minus 1. 2s is equal to 2. Therefore, S is equal to 1. So, the energy for 5s has lowest energy.
Question number 9. The degeneracy of the spectral term 3f is option A 7, option B 9, option C 15, option D 21.
Spectral term 3f multiplicity 3 equal to 2s plus 1. Therefore, 2s is equal to 3 minus 1. S is equal to 1. Similarly, for f, L equal to 3 and J equal to L plus S, L plus S minus 1 to L minus S. That will be equal to 4, 3, 2. So, 3f states will be 3f4, 3f3, 3f2. Each J level has 2J plus 1 fold degenerate. J equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5. And similarly, J equal to 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 7. J equal to 4, 2 into 4 plus 1 equal to 9. Therefore, total degenerate states are 5 plus 7 plus 9 equal to 21. So, D is the correct answer.
Question number 10. The Landis G factor for the level 3D3 is option A 2 by 3, B 3 by 2, C 3 by 4, option D 4 by 3.
Answer D, 4 by 3 is the correct answer. We know that Landis G factor G equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 divided by 2J into J plus 1. Given data J equal to 3, L equal to 2 for 3D3 multiplicity 2S plus 1. For S, 2S plus 1 equal to 3, simplifying S is equal to 1. Therefore, G equal to 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3, 3 plus 1. Simplifying, we get 4 by 3 is the correct answer.
Question number 11. The Ls and J, the quantum numbers corresponding to the ground state electronic configuration of boron Z is equal to 5 are option A L equal to 1, S is equal to 1 by 2, J equal to 3 by 2, B L equal to 1, S is equal to 1 by 2, J equal to 1 by 2. Option C L equal to 1, S is equal to 3 by 2, J equal to 1 by 2. Option D L equal to 0, S is equal to 3 by 2, J equal to 3 by 2.
Given data for boron Z is equal to 5. Electronic configuration is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. For btam, 1 p electron spin is half. Orbital quantum number L for p equal to 1. Therefore, jtam is 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. For the ground state, J equal to 1 by 2.
Question number 12. The degeneracies of the J states arising from the 3p term with spin orbit interaction are option A 1, 3, 5, option B 1, 2, 3, option C 3, 5, 7, option D 2, 6, 10.
In this problem, the given term is equal to 3p. Multiplicity 2s plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore, s is equal to 1. Here, for the p term, L equal to 1. Therefore, J equal to L plus S to L minus S. It will be equal to 2, 1, 0. Therefore, degeneracy value equal to 2J plus 1. For the value of J equal to 2, the value will be equal to 5. For J equal to 1, 2J plus 1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 3. For the value of J equal to 0, 2J plus 1 will be equal to 1. So, A 1, 3, 5 is the correct answer.
Question number 13. The hyperfine structure of sodium with nuclear spin equal to 3 by 2 has A 1 state, B 2 states, C 3 states, D 4 states.
Hyperfine structure for F is equal to I plus J to I minus J. Here I equal to 3 by 2, J equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, F is equal to 3, 2, 1, 0. Therefore, total number of states is equal to 4. Hence, D is the correct answer. Subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, comment பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.